You know, I've always bought new ones because repairing these, there's a kit, but the kit usually costs more than buying a brand new one. But, and another thing, I've always been like, hey, how do you take this thing apart? How in the world do you take it apart? Well, the book says to take compressed air. You go in here, and it's supposed to push out the stuff that you can repair, the seal. So, we are going to try that right now. Ooh, it does work. It's the first time I've ever done that. It does work. So, there's the body. This is usually in the kit. A spring. Yep. And some seals. And that's what deteriorates on them is this. There's an O-ring and what looks like a rubber seal. Press it on, squeeze it a little bit. Let me get some tools. Obviously, an O-ring that can be replaced. And this booger. There's a seal, right? And it is on it pretty good. Let's see. I'm sure that putting it on is easier than getting it off. You could probably just cut this off with a pocket knife, but I want to take it off and see how it looks. It's in a little rib in there, you know, like a valley, and just gets in there. Snaps in. I want to take it off. Pick to the rescue. Take it off like an old tire. So that's the plunger piece. You know, but let me knock it back out. Okay. So, I've looked at a kit once or twice, and I mean, it may come with this. I'll have to look at it, and if it's true, I'll post a picture in the video, because I can see where this is a little corroded looking. But I know for sure this comes in the kit. I've seen the kits run $38. So, I mean, when it comes to buying a brand new one for $9 and then a little bit of shipping, still think you're under $38. You're probably at $18 from Rock Auto. May come with this too. This little ribbed rubber. So, anyways, that's how you take one apart. Hope you enjoyed this video.